Morning, everyone. Thank you so much. Today we are going to talk about ARQT. Please subscribe, like, and let's go on technical. So, Actis, remember this: the healthcare stocks, guys, started from under $2, and right now when you see over the charts here, stocks still have more room to go to moon. So, I remember stock is targeting $39. And right now is $6 as pre-market today. And another thing, earnings is coming this week on Wednesday, so we are expecting earnings, and the earnings that we are expecting on ARQT, we need stock to beat expectation, which is negative 0.782, and the revenue 11 million. And what I'm thinking about right now, ARQT, that is going to beat everything. Remember, guys, whenever stock running up, so like to beat expectation, revenue, and earnings is very possible. And we saw the stocks which are moving upward, so it's always money is flowing in. And as mentioned by the stocks, by the average stocks and revenue is going to break out, is going to move up. And where is our next resistance, guys? So we tested, we were almost breaking this resistance. Remember, for my line here around 7.3, 7.15, 0.7.3 dollars. And remember, we try on last 2 week, and the end of this week, which was on Friday, last week, or this week, last week, because today's Monday, stock retraced the targets. This was the resistance before, and then the targets, and then so probably today, Monday, we are going to push before earnings. And then before earnings, maybe earnings on Wednesday, we might be trading within this area, between 7.5 to 9, or $9. So between them and earnings, we break the earnings, yeah, to beat earnings and revenue. We'll send the stock to moon. So remember, stock on Friday closed above. We took huge move up. So remember this, the line of the resistance. That's I indicate. I will show you, and then here. So the resistance, guys, remember monthly charts is showing more resistance. So probably you see when I started doing the video, remember I started from here, $3. And right now we have already double. So we break, and then this line, and then this one. So after earnings, if we are going to beat earnings, we are going to skyrocket. This is where I see happening, $11 earnings. So remember, earnings will be short squeeze, and then stock maybe will come now. You understand now? We run from $6 to $11 to eat this resistance. Remember, 2 months consecutive stock bounces around $11 when it was coming downtrend. It bounces. It dipped from $18. It came around $11. It bounces to $16, and then the rest of the man followed. He came this, which is now our resistance right now, and then started moving upward. And then remember, that time was moving downtrend, but now you see this is was a bullish candlestick that we saw on the month. Yeah, so I have some stocks which is healthcare stocks, which is doing very well right now. That 2022 2023 was affected. So remember, this one, another one, guys. I've been doing videos more as previous months. You see this one, fibrogen. You see the star here on monthly chart, which came some few months ago. So we remember that was the December, or it was November. So you saw that star here, a star. which was it was determined if you are going to move upward or downward. So we saw a star here, and then you will see what the follow. So, but this one followed by a green candlestick, whenever followed by a green candlestick, that means stock is already reversal. So, where is Fibrogen right now targeting? So, we have already today, we are watching the candlestick. If this February will close above this area, so remember now we are going to move another huge breakout. So remember after there we are going to, according to the previous, we are going to reach $18 after we break. I remember it's $4. We will break $4. Remember all of these things you see over here. We're supposed to reach. Let me see that line on daily chart so that if the stock, yeah, remember stock is already breaking today pre-market on Fibrogen. Fibrogen is, if we will stay above this month, which is obvious that we might be staying above, because when you see the charts, everything right now, weekly, monthly charts, is already you break out on. You see the monthly. This stock break out on monthly around less than $1, around 0.6. It happened also the same with ARQT on November. So you see after breakout guys, it's happened. It pushes stock more than, remember people chain is around 600%, because you see stock came down less than 0.2, and now we are at target we are talking almost $3. So $3 divided by 0.2, you will get is already 15x, which is 30 divided by 2. You see over there. So that's why paper chain is on the fire right now. So guys, thank you so much. Remember subscribe, like, and I think this is where the money going right now. And on healthcare stocks, I've been watching most of the healthcare stocks, and I have one also here, which is I was reading few minutes ago. Remember this one monthly chart is already breaking out. Remember this monthly. Everything on healthcare stocks started on this one's on November. This or not December. This was December, January, February. Now we are starting February breakout. So this one you see right now is trading, went to almost $5, and the pullback is coming to test the support before to go to more. Remember everything you see over here is you are watching the monthly resistance and the support. So right now we either choose this one, or but between this $5 and this is the area which is now you see 447 is was the support on I50D, and I have stocks and call. Yeah, so this is the healthcare, because I was thinking about before uh but they did what is the name, like visa, anything was dealing with COVID-19. I was thinking this the time for to break out, but you see it's still on the downtrend. Remember on monthly chart now we see visa. I'm holding visa, but you see it's still on downtrend. We need to watch visa, but you see my uptrend line I draw over here, which this means maybe visa will go to $8, $22, between 22, and most of the visa stock is now is still going down. Moderna. So I was talking about Moderna. Moderna yesterday was still going down. So this means anything was dealing with Corona is still on bearish. So you see this the Moderna right now, but Moderna is already bouncing. So when you see Moderna You see this candlestick? It was a star, but this man he pushed it back because he reached the line of the resistance. So we're still waiting. Moderna. So Moderna is, I think you need to stay away of them until we see confirmation. So another stock that was doing well, I have some stocks or Sava, cassava, or you call Sava. Cassava was doing extremely. Remember, guys, I'm showing you most of the stocks that is doing great. So this is the cassava. You see my chart here. We have a downtrend. So I was watching. It was resistant, and then he break after he broke out. He reached one almost 200. He came back, tested. He went here. He came, he tested some few months, and then you see Visa is now moving very quickly. It's almost breaking out. So I hope, guys, you are taking notes right now. So the next big thing will be Visa, and we are watching Visa to break not this month, probably by April. So Visa is going to take off. So starting by Visa. So I bought my Visa around in, on this area. It was around $11 5 months ago. It's already 80% up. Yeah, so now I'm going to monitor Visa very quickly, and after, because everything is up with the moon and down. Thank you so much, guys. I've already shown you Actis, Moderna, Visa, and which one in healthcare stock that you need to buy. Fiprogen is on breakout. Visa, IVV, and many other that I know right now, and I'm going to list. Please subscribe and like, because this will be huge on. You need to know which healthcare stock is going to move. Yeah, so like this one, guys, I didn't buy, but I saw was 23, and then I was making, I was doing my technicals, but I didn't buy because it was on fire. So the health stock was called Ferra Ferra Therapist. So I will show you. You see, it started from $2, and right now you see it break all-time high. Remember I put here, and it's doing like another stock that I was doing videos and video, which is mining stocks, which is oh, not a mining stock, it was a coin. Sorry, guys. FLR. FLR. I was watching breaking resistance. It tried to break yesterday, but remember, coins today came down. You see, and this is will be huge on this coin. Remember, Google or Alphabet is supporting this coin. Thank you so much, guys. I don't want to take your time. Thank you. Remember, this is the health scare stock that you need to buy, and which one you don't touch right now. Thank you.